Alright, we have the Tinder Quest photo wall. So what is the Tinder Quest photo wall? Well, the photo wall is the wall that allows you to associate your matches' photos with their score. You can also associate the photo wall with the leaderboard, and that way you can connect both of them by using the username. So that associates a picture with the score with the username. This allows you to visually see the matches that have decided to play the quest, and you can see how they rank up against each other. So why is the photo wall created in part 3 and not part 1 of the quest? Well, for all intensive purposes, we're going to pretend as if you're not constantly going back into your Tinder profile to see what the match looks like. So for the game itself, it gives a level of anonymity to the quest. It allows you to just judge the match by their scores, and only their scores at this point. And then only after they have completed the quest will it give the big reveal, which adds a little bit of flair and surprise to the quest. You get to see, oh, okay, it was so-and-so person that I matched with got this score. And decide to play the game, which is great. So it gives you a little level of surprise. It adds a little more fun to the game. And it also verifies that the user is who they say they are. A lot of times people have photos that are either old or from weird angles. The camera scene on this is just a plain camera scene. There's no Instagram filter, there's no Snapchat filter on this. They can't Photoshop this photo. It's just a plain, regular photo of themselves. So it allows you to see the user as they are. So let's dive right into the photo wall portion of the quest. Hey everyone! We're back again with Tinder Quest. This is part 3. We are talking about the photo wall. Currently having some connection issues, so I will run through this later with my phone. But right now I'll just explain to you what it is. So this part we are talking about the photo wall. So after you have the person pick a username and their first and last name, we will now want to associate that username with a photo that we will add to the photo wall. So first we have Hugh saying, hey, welcome back. Now let's upload your photo so we can associate your username with your picture. And then we would have the camera scene, which we have the front-facing camera. And then we want to set it to photo only. So then that will allow them to take a photo of themselves. So we'll just have this nice little prospective candidate take a photo of him. And now we are ready to upload this to the photo wall. So the photo wall can be found here at photos.metaverseapp.io. You'll want to create a new photo wall. This one we called Tinder Quest. Created it. And once the wall is created, you'll want to take note of this ID. So we'll copy and paste the ID. We'll add it to the ID of the photo wall. Link the two of these. And great, this gets added to the photo wall. That will end the current experience, and this will allow the person to move on to the next part of the quest. Once I can get a decent connection going here, I will show you what the photo wall looks like. But for now, that is what it looks like to use the photo wall block as part of your quest.